Krabs, I thought we got our tartar sauce delivery on Thursday.
Tartar sauce?
Bullseye!
Plankton.
So it's a food fight he wants, eh?
Welcome to Air Plankton. Please put your seat backs and tray tables up as we're now approaching our final destination.
Okay, Patrick, load the potatoes.
Master Scallop, sir!
No, Patrick, raw.
Sir, yes, sir! Locked and loaded! Don't worry, little formula. You'll be safe in this. Safe. Fire!
Potatoes!
He's closing in.
I think we have a few minutes before he gets here.
Oh! He's right on top of us!
Hey, it's raining fries.
It's gonna take a lot more than potatoes to bring this baby down! Oh, maybe not.
Wait a minute, Patrick, look! He's got a tank!
Well, Krabs, you're certainly in a pickle now!
Hey, it's raining pickles. Ha! Now it's raining. Thanks.
You're welcome!
Finland.
Extra ketchup! Extra mustard!
Hold the mayo!
Unleash the condiments!
With relish! Excuse me?
I can't hold the mayo any longer!
Mayo? Well, it's gonna take a lot more than mayo to stop.
Now what?
Oh, I just remembered. I don't work for Mr. Krabs.
Robot! 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 Giant robot! Robot! Mr. Krabs! Plankton's here, and he's got a giant robot!
Quick, boy, bar the door!
Got it!
I'll take one secret formula to go. Oh, barnacles, I'm out of gas.